This is a hard to find Black Brothers 4' by 10' end loading cold press with an adjustable opening. The actual size of the press is 50 inches by 122 inches. The max capacity of this press is 55.5 inches when fully open, and it will close all the way down to 3.5 inches. The pods do have an approximate 5.5 inches of stroke. Down the center is a motorized conveyor with both forward and reverse for ease of loading and unloading. The actual conveyor will pneumatically raise and lower depending on the position of the pods.